In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the calendar power-up in Trello, a fantastic tool to help visually manage your deadlines and tasks seamlessly. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together, making sure you're comfortable accessing this powerful feature. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Trello board. Choose the project board where you intend to utilize the calendar view. Once you're in your board, direct your attention to the top menu. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, you might need to select Show Menu. From there, navigate to the option labeled Power-Ups. This area is your gateway to various features that can enhance your Trello experience. In the Power-Ups section, you'll need to search for Calendar. Simply type it in and it should pop up with ease. Once you've located the Calendar Power-Up, the next step is to activate it for your board. You will see either an Add button or in some cases, Enable. Click this option and voila, the Calendar Power-Up is now part of your Trello board setup. With the Calendar feature now active, you'll notice a new button labeled Calendar at the top of your board. This is your shortcut to switch from your usual board view to a calendar view, providing a different perspective on your tasks and deadlines. Give the calendar button a click and you'll enter into a layout that offers either a monthly or weekly view depending on your preference. This view is incredibly useful because all the cards that you've assigned due dates to will automatically appear on their respective dates. It's an excellent way to get a comprehensive look at what's coming up for the week or month without having to scroll through your board. This integration is seamless and keeps everything organized at a glance. Now that you're in the calendar view, you can easily track your project timelines and ensure that deadlines are clearly visible and manageable. This kind of visual representation is particularly helpful in recognizing task clusters or bottlenecks in your schedule, allowing you to adjust your workload accordingly. And that's it. You've just learned how to leverage the calendar power-up in Trello to streamline your task management effectively. This tool helps keep your projects on track and ensures you never miss a deadline again. Whether you are managing a team, working on a personal project, or just trying to stay organized, this power-up is an invaluable addition to your Trello toolkit. Remember to check your calendar regularly to make the most of its features and keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Thank you for joining me today and happy planning!